Good morning, sir. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hello, hello.
Good
Hello,
morning, good
hello.
morning.
Morning.
Hi, everyone.
Hi. Sir, did you take the gold trade? QC near.
Hi, Pramod. You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried too long first and I got stopped out twice. Then I changed my bias to short. And yeah, I only entered at 3327. But I mean the short trade now.
Okay. Where did you
So
try the
so
long?
a bit late, but but I'm in.
Where did you try the long?
Let me see. Yeah. Uh, I will draw it so you can see you in 5 minutes. Yeah. Um, when I saw this,
Hmm?
then I tried to enter along around here.
Why, sir?
Why? Because I thought here with the two candles here, I thought I saw a bullish pattern, and I wanted to try the retest of this pattern. But yeah, obviously my
No, sir.
I think
See,
my bias was wrong, so I can
here the structure has shifted, sir. Okay.
yeah.
Here the structure has shifted. So the entry will be in this area for the short.
Mm,
Okay. Because I told you, according to intraday, we have to see. So here the structure has shifted and this will be our entry area here. Okay, target will be this. Once it reach here, book some profit and we should hold. So now
yeah.
only when the structure will shift upside, then we can try the long position. So now they'll immediately when you get these candles, right?
Mm,
The red candles. So now they wantedly they'll make a bullish engulf and all at these places.
yeah.
So again, you see how they'll because when clearly the market structure shifted here. So if you go to the higher time frame, resistance, sir, we have resistance. You can see this place. So
Yeah.
based
I
on the
see.
5 minutes, the structure has shifted. Done. So we should wait for the retracement. If it's not coming for retracement, then no trade. So in between, we can enter. Like we have to wait for the breakouts, then retest, then order block, then you can join the trade. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I see.
Pramod, can I
Why?
ask about? Oh, yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. I just have a last question. When there is the pullback, if the price goes above the breaker block, um, what are you looking for to be sure that okay, I'm still in the it's still a downtrend and it's not shifting again to the uptrend. Yeah. For example, if you take this breaker block, just to be sure that we are still in a short, what do you exactly look for to confirm that the trend
So
hasn't changed?
yeah. So now when I get this breakout right here,
Yeah.
so market should go above this. Then
Mm-hmm.
I'll start looking the long positions.
Okay.
In your case where you took the trade, the market should close above this. So when it comes for the
Okay.
retracement, then I'll try for long position.
Okay. I see. I see. Okay. Yeah, that's still something I have to to walk to identify this more clearly when it happens.
Yeah. I told you should go very depths around this day. What is going to happen? That is important here, especially.
Mm,
Already when the market today it's open without retracement, it just went. So this was the high, yesterday high. Okay, the market closed above this, and I didn't take any trade here. But I was waiting to shift this downside. When it shifted, First I took the small trades. I'll add layers, sir. I told yesterday also. So I'll add layers. Okay. What I did, I started taking the layers. So now in this, where is the neckline?
I would say here.
Yes. So there I took 0.01. All right. So
Okay.
when it reached here, I took 0.01. Again up it's 0.01. Again it went 0.01. But my stop loss, I'll tell you where was my stop loss. So I was taking just this. Until candle will not close above this, I'll be taking the trades. But
Okay.
every 10-15 pips, I'll be taking the trades. Okay. So
Okay.
3 trades I took here. So finally it got evening star at this place. And exactly here in this area, so when the candle was here, right here,
Yeah.
I put limit order here 0.07.
Okay.
My stop loss was above this. Once the candle will close above this, I'll delete all the, I just cut all my trades in the loss. If the candle
Okay.
close,
Yeah. Yeah. Close. Yeah.
because it can go till here also, right? Wick. So
Mm.
my stop loss was above this and I took all the trade here, like 0.07 and I just hold it. So when it started coming here at this place, exactly when it touched, I closed 0.07, rest I am still holding, sir.
And the 0.1, the 3 small trades you took first. So you still kept it, or did you hit a stop loss?
No, I didn't take any stop loss. Stop loss was
Okay.
here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Stop. If the candle
Yeah.
closed above this, I was closing in
Okay.
loss. I was holding. So
Okay.
when I
Okay.
saw the when I took 120, 110 pips, I closed all the trades. Only one I am holding, which is from the top.
Mm. So at the end, you had like 4 different positions, like 3, 0.1, and then the last one on the evening star retest. That was your biggest position.
Yes.
Okay, I see.
That until I don't see the confirmation and retest, I don't take the big positions. I just
Understand.
kept the limit here, order limit, and it took the limit. It started going down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Pramod,
Yes, sir.
about because this is a very, very small break of structure and then a change of
Yes.
character.
Yes.
Is it because you're looking at that one? Of course, there's the higher time frame zone, but is this the volume is the thing that you're like seeing it all right? Because there's such a high volume, that's why you're looking for these even these small bosses, change of characters.
See, this is like, yes, the volume it will include. Before that, the market already reached 1 hour resistance, sir. In near
Okay.
1 hour resistance, very close to 1 hour resistance, when I see this change of character, then I'll play this. My target will be only this neckline, sir. That's it. Yeah, that is
But
that is good target to compare to gold, right? So my entry was from here, this area, 130
yeah.
pips. Yeah, sir. That is 130 pips. I took this profit and I'm holding. Now, if the market does this, so it took liquidity. Maybe today it can come till here also. If we take all liquidities, if we take all liquidities, again I'll join this in the short. So I'll wait liquidity sweep during US session. Then again I'll try. It should not take any support here. If it takes support, then the market will go up once again.
And in this case, because you had that change of, I need to take the pen back, because you had that small change of character there near the high time resistance, you don't consider this as a long until it will do something like that, and then you might join.
Yes, yes. Now see, when I take this, so when I'm this short positions from here, right? Already I took a good profit here. The reason why
Okay.
I didn't take the long positions, the sessions, right? Now UK has started from here. So here Asia, so this when it started Asia now UK will complete this. We don't know whether it will take all the liquidities yesterday's. So already I'm in trade, sir. I don't want to go again from here long. Reason, first we have to see where the market is coming from, the 1 hour resistance, sir.
Yeah.
According
Okay,
to the 1 hour, we have to see the liquidity still where it can go. See, now on the 1 hour we have this breaker block.
Mm.
I'll just take only top, so at least we should take this full candle, but yeah, I'll take only this. So still we have 16 minutes, sir. If the candle close below this candle, then yes, today it can go once again take this resistance, then it will take all these liquidities.
Head and shoulders.
Yes, if the candle goes and close above this, then US session I'll try the long.
All right. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you very much for explaining.
No problem. Good. Can anyone explain here what happened, sir? It's very easy, sir. If you didn't give any answer, then I'll close the session now.
Liquidity sweep of that drop and go.
Yeah. Still, we have another liquidity also, right, sir? Why didn't take this one then? Let's.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Hold
Yeah,
on.
correct answer, but add
Yeah.
something masala in that.
Hold on, let me have a look.
If I switch on the indicator, you will come to know, sir.
CPR, this CPR.
Yeah, but that is not one. I just this.
Yeah, you got this W here. Hold on. This neckline. No, this neckline here, isn't it?
No, that is correct. What you said, the it took liquidity and it started moving, right?
Off this older block. Is it off the older block that's sitting on this? This older
Correct.
block.
Correct. But now tell me, sir, will you take the trade here or no?
Why not?
If you see, no, if you see this candle, this
Yeah, but
yeah.
but
Second trade,
because
if the stop loss hit, what can be the next move?
if the stop loss hit, so if that
Yes.
comes below here, that can come to here as well.
Your answer, correct. Correct, sir. Yes, Mr. B. So what is this, sir?
Zoom in a little bit for more.
Yeah, it's hard.
What, sir?
Can you make it bigger?
Yeah, what is this, sir?
Asia low.
Then did you hello, sir? Sir, Mr. B, see, when you take the trade, right, sir? So, for example, 1 second. So when you take the trade this way, your stop loss should be only this, sir. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We cannot keep our stop loss below Asia low. We don't know till where the wick will come. So better take the small stop loss below this candle. If the stop loss hit, then just wait for to sweep this liquidity. Then second trade will be from this area. Target this new liquidity and old one. Target done. Just hold the rest.
I always use CPR for my targets. If I'm taking a trade near this, I'll always put it here.
Okay, no problem. But sometimes you see, right? The candle will go above the resistance and it come down. So it will take some old liquidities, sir. For example, this kind of liquidities, it will take and the market will reverse. So what's this? We don't understand why the market is reversing from here. So where will be the next entry, sir?
Yeah. You can even put it here.
The market does like this. Now,
This up here. Oh no, it's this one. It's from here, sorry. If you pull that across.
So if the market does this pattern now,
Yeah.
where will be the long? Where is the liquidity first? Liquidity and order block.
You've already gone past. You've already swept that liquidity. The only liquidity left are these ones. This here, because all this is gone already.
No, this is invalid now. This is the fresh
Yeah.
one which I'm showing you now. Okay,
So
so
the
this,
only,
yeah,
the only liquidities are these ones here.
and everything is done, sir. So if the markets, when it grabs this liquidity, okay, so now where will be the new liquidity, sir? Yes, order block.
This one.
This is the order block, correct. So if the market without retracement, if it's go down, then where will be the entry now?
Yes, come. You can come here.
Correct. Okay, sir. Now this is your breaker block or breakout area. So where will be your order block now in this? Okay, tell me, if assume that here is the order block and we have the FEG somewhere here, then where you will take the trade? Now, 1 second, will you take this trade near breakout area or FEG or order block?
God. Take you in the middle.
We'll try with breaker block first.
Ah,
And if stop loss hit, then we will
ah,
check the reactions near FPG and
ah.
order block.
No, I don't want to take the stop loss. I want accurate trade, sir. Then
Then I wait for the order block.
if it market turns from here, sir.
Entry here, stop loss up here.
Okay. That will be safest trade, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, it's very easy. Why? Wait, just think, sir. Think. Sir, everyone, write a mail to Trading Wave. Hi, Trading Wave, dear team, please delete the fib level from my chart. I don't want my fib level. Just everyone. Why?
You take it from the 618.
Sir, you should take the fib. Okay, you should check the 618706 whether is it coming FEG or the breaker block. That is going to work. Because see, it's all depend the waves, sir. See, without when you start doing when you start trading, right? So you will come to know the wave. Like what Mr. B said is correct. What he said, I'll just see. Like, see, first thing you should see till where the market is going. The drawing is very easy. But if the market goes till here, the market usually we don't wait for the order block, right? Before that, we'll start taking the trade. The first opportunity will be our breakout area. If fib level is matching somewhere 618, then yes, this is my trade setup. If the wave is very small, okay, if this wave is still only here, then like what he said, order block, correct. That order block, it is going to work, and FEG. So you should take the two trades near FEG and order block if it's very close. Stop loss about this.
So Pramod,
Yes, Abdul sir.
if it is a big wave,
Huh?
the 618 is the strongest entry.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, it like break block.
Yes, if the market comes till here, then
Yeah.
this area will be the best to take the trade. So they'll even you will see this like first they'll go up from here, they'll come down, they'll make liquidity, they'll sweep.
Okay.
This is a possible. If the big wave, if a direct goes till here, then take the entry from here. Once again, you will see the market will reverse from any order block, it will go down. So our entry will be from here. This just till we will see the rejection. That's it. Once again, so our target will be this. When it reach here, book some profit, hold. The market goes up from here, right? If it close above this, then yes, the market will go once again to the recent high.
What's your thoughts on Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, let me see, sir. 113, sir. I already had a drawing, sir. I think I'm missing that. Okay, we should not use that, right? Okay, 1 second. Is it correct,
What are you
sir?
trying to
This
do? You trying to do trend extension?
I don't have the drawing, sir. I don't know what happened. Bybit is correct, right?
Yeah.
Breakout. So we have still from here we should consider, okay, we candle should close above this daily candle. This is the high. So 113. So according to the old data, right? Old data. So the next target will be this 120891. Okay. Based on the previous breakout. So today when it gives us a new breakout, the scenario will change. We'll get so for example, take it in one. So this is just example, okay, sir. Still the market not yet closed. So this is getting this one. Maybe it looks funny, but yeah, exactly. It will take the rejection according to the old data. Okay, this is the target, sir. 120,891. So do you remember, sir, when we was in previous company, we was discussing about the Solana. Where I have the Solana. No.
Yes. Well,
So this still 292. There was no resistance, but after this breakout, we took this a fib level.
Yeah.
Correct. So it should perfectly hit to the target, sir. Same way now in the PTC also, sir. So when I reduce the values, it was showing 113. After that, today what we are seeing according to the old data, then it can go till there, sir.
What do you think about intraday? Like obviously the 1 hour and 5 minutes and stuff.
Sir, it can come till here also, sir.
Yeah, that's, I was going to say that's similar to what I marked out. 'Cause on the 1 hour, there's break a block about. I
Here.
just marked first one here.
Hmm.
Was it? Yeah.
That
And
is
then there
very,
was
yeah, that you can try from here, but it's very close that, okay. So on the 15, why I took the 15 minutes, the market is trending, right, sir? It can take healthy retracement.
Mhm.
When it sweep this, then you can join this trade. Before that, yes, on the 5, let me see this CPR, okay. You just make sure to you check this, sir. Because most of them now they'll try the long position from here. The breaker block and order block we have right at the same place. Definitely they'll try.
Mm.
Then they'll drop. Especially when it
I think that.
reaches, yeah.
Sorry, no, I was going to say I think that lines up the daily CPR around. I think it was about here. Oh no, lower. Sorry.
Lower, but
Yeah.
I like they definitely they'll try most of them now.
Mm-hmm.
Here, they'll show 2-3 candles from this place. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
You can take the trade here. If you can take the trade, use break even. Only when it candle will close above this, then we can think about that market can make a new high. If the candle close below this for intraday. For
Yeah, I
intraday,
thought it wanted.
yeah.
Yeah, I thought it wanted to come down. If you jump back onto the 5 minutes,
Yes, you can try that. Sir.
jump onto that second.
5 minutes.
Yeah. If you zoom in a little bit.
Zoom in.
Can't see.
Okay.
Yeah, bigger. Because I was, even though it made a breaker structure to the upside, I was seeing here. I was going to try and take a short from this neckline here because it broke retest, but it didn't come all the way up, so it runs short of it, so I missed it. But I was just waiting for leaving this sort of POI order block area, but it might tap into here as well. So just waiting to see the reaction first. But again, it will only be a small scalp just down to this area here.
So if you take even the trade also, the market hardly will go till here.
Yeah.
Then again they take rejection. If the candle close above this, For example, so still we don't have another wave. According to this, we have only one wave. The directly market comes here, then this is the challenge. If it close above this, you can immediately try the long positions.
Yeah.
If the 15 minutes, if you see morning star, then during US session, you can try the long.
It's literally just swept this liquidity here, which I marked out. So let's see.
The candle close above this. You want to try
Yeah.
the long, right?
No, I was just waiting for it to come back up to here, but we'll see.
Yeah. This will be liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
Bottom is very strong, so that's see there is no volume, like volumes. This volumes and the market will be in the right direction.
What do you think? So this is promote the area that you wanted to close on top to kind of be clear that the trend is continuing upwards, right?
No,
Because
no,
it's a
no.
recent liquidity.
No, I don't. If personally, I don't look any long positions right now. Even if the candle
Yeah,
close, if it goes up, sir, because this is according to 1 hour daily, it's the peaks are highest level. At least, if you,
but I don't mean like in general, like as a concept. Let's forget. Let's say that this is not the highest point, because of course it's the highest point, so it's a risky way. But in general, for this specific move in 5 minutes to continue, this would be the safe closure if it closes on top of that the most recent liquidity. Is that right?
yes. For example, if the candle close above this,
yeah,
then this trade will be safe. But
yeah,
when it goes this place, we should use break even. Once again, the market
yes,
will come this place. They'll take rejection.
And-
See, yeah, they'll make them to sit short positions here.
and probably because this is a fairly big zone, so if it closes on top of it, the retest is what you're looking for as well.
Yes.
Because probably the first candle will be quite big.
This one,
No. I mean, like, let's say that it would now close on top of this. So
Okay.
entering right here might be
Risky.
maybe a too big stop loss. So maybe it's good to wait something like that to happen.
Yes, correct. And
So
we have to
order,
check the
okay.
volume also. With the big ultra high volume candle, then that will be the fake.
Yeah. All right.
Possible to come here to the second demand zone.
No,
And
sir.
just-
No.
Yeah.
No. The market is volume, sir. Just let it come here, this place. Try this short, sir. Just wait. You can try the long here, but when it move till here, you keep the break even.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking. That's
Because
what I'm
of
looking
it,
for. I wasn't going to take. I wasn't going to take the long. It was just to see if there was a reaction from the second demand zone.
Yeah,
And
we'll
then
try
wait for it
that
to come back
because
up.
within one candle they'll drop just like this. They want to
Yeah.
take all the stop losses, right? Now most of them they'll be seeing this level. You just go and check on any YouTube. You will see this kind of PNL now. They say, but market.
Can you believe our professional Johan wanted to take a long from here? Crazy man. Crazy man.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday sir was talking about the flag. Did you take the trade, sir?
No, mate.
I caught it down here. Again, sort of second demand zone.
Okay.
Was it there? Yeah, it was there. I managed to close it up. I think it was about here. And look, come all the way back down. Kicked everyone.
Yes, sir. I'll just stop. On YouTube. Thank you for joining. Ready for YouTube, sir. Thanks, sir.